हॉटेल पार्क प्राइम पाटो पणजी 14 ते 24 डिसेंबर मेरेन सी फूड फेस्टिवल आयोजित केला. त्या संदर्भात अधिक माहिती दिवपाक हॉटेल पार्क प्राइमच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी बुधवारा रूफटॉप रेस्टॉरंट पणजी हांगा प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतली. पळयात.
हॉटेल पार्क प्राइम फाटली 5 वर्सां एक फूड फेस्टिवल घडोवन हाडटा. फाटली 2 वर्सां कोरोनाक लागून हॉटेल उद्देग धंद्याक बरोच फटको बसला. पूण आतां परत एक फावट उद्देग धंदो जाग्यार बसोवपाक धंदेकारांक येस मेळ्ळा. हे फूड फेस्टिवल 14 ते 24 डिसेंबर मेरेन लोकां खातीर उक्ते आसतले. गोंयच्या दर्यांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या नुस्त्याचो आस्वाद हांगा लोकांक घेवपाक मेळटलो, अशें चॉकलेट हॉटेल प्रायवेट लिमिटेडचो संचालक निर्मलो चौधरीन सांगले. आयकात.
We have been getting a consistent support since almost 5 years now, and every year whenever we did this festival, with all your support, we have done really good. And post pandemic, we as you are all aware that the pandemic hit us so bad, especially our industry. Now we were hit badly. Hospitality, hotel industry, travels hit us very bad, but at the same time now the kind of pickup that this industry is taking is really appreciable. So as a part of the initiative, so we are also doing a lot of activities
on the seafood festival, which is going to organize. That's to start from the 14th until 24th. It will start, as I told, in the lunch will be going to start 12:30 in the afternoon to till 3:30, and going to be served that's in the Tulip restaurant. In the dinner again we are going to be served in the rooftop restaurant. That will start by 7 until 10:30 in the night.
We are getting always a hearty support from all our media partners of Goa, and because of your support from last 5 years, we have been continuously doing good in related to food festival and food promotions.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.